Check it out, they got the Motley Crue Funko Pops. Tommy Lee. Mick Mars. Nikki Sixx. Vince Neil. He's like sideways in the cut. Dope. Pee-wee Herman. Oh, they got the Jetsons. What? This is great though. Cherry. DJ Delz. Welcome to a brand new episode here at the Delz Show. The Delz Show. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to show you some of my newest pickups. Was at the store and I did get Mr. George Jetson. Had to get him. I think he looks fantastic. And he is available now. I will put information in the description box below if you're looking for him. Bunch of new pops released this week. We got the Pee-wee Herman collection. I definitely need to get Astro and Rosie. I will be picking them up eventually. I just feel like I can get them for under retail. I could not pass on George Jetson though. I had to have it immediately. So this is the first new pickup that I did get, and I love the Jetsons. Grew up on it. So great. Another pickup I got, something I grew up on, was Mr. Rogers. I picked up the Barnes & Noble's exclusive, and you see right there he's got the puppet of the king from the land of make-believe with the trains, everything. So great. So this is another new pickup that I did get, and I'm so happy to have it. And I'm thinking what else I got. Oh yeah, I got 1/4 of the Motley Crue collection. I love Motley Crue. Awesome band. Check them out if you've never heard their music, especially their old albums. To be honest with you, my favorite album they ever put out probably was their first one, Too Fast for Love. Live Wire. They were so badass. And Tommy Lee. I just feel like this is probably the most hyped one. So I wanted to knock this one out of the collection. I will be getting the rest of them. Nikki Sixx, Vince Neil, Mick Mars. One of the most underrated guitarists ever. I mean, his solos are so badass. And obviously, Tommy Lee, one of the greatest drummers of all time. So I definitely had to pick this up right away. And now, let's do an unboxing. This was something that I really needed because I wanted all of them. And as you can see here, as we go down, we've got the Kurt Cobain's, the FYE exclusive, the Hot Topic exclusive, and the Funko exclusive. So I had to get the common, which to me is probably one of the best ones, but they're all really dope. They just bring from different times, you know, especially this one, the FYE exclusive from the Unplugged, which was just legendary. They're all legendary. This one, man, with those glasses, so badass, such a rock star, man. I mean, Kurt Cobain, like, when he passed away, it just broke my heart. I remember coming home from school and hearing the news, and I was just so sad as a kid, man, because I literally always listened to them as a kid, me and my friends. You know, I think I smoked my first joint listening to Kurt Cobain, to be honest with you. And I just loved him. I just loved him so much. I still do. I wish he was still alive. Can only imagine him creating more music. But, you know, what's done is done. He's gone. And he will truly always be missed. So I bought this on eBay, and I got it for under retail. There's the packaging, nicey nice, looks good so far. And I feel like there's one more, but I don't think there is. But something's telling me that there's one more. Unfortunately, on the back of the boxes, it doesn't show the whole collection, like all of them. But yeah, this is the Smells Like Teen Spirit one. Classic with that sweater, that green sweater. So badass, man. So badass. And I just love this dude, man. For real. I love Kurt Cobain, man. I mean, I really like the rock pops, you know, the music pops. To me, it just brings me back, and I love that. That's what I love about these things. So I'm pretty sure I got them all. If I'm missing one, let me know in the comment box below. I really am a little disappointed that they did not release the band. Like, they should have had one with the whole band, not just Kurt Cobain, because I would have bought them all. And I think a lot of us also would have too. But they dropped the ball and they didn't. And sadly, we just have the Kurt Cobains, but at the same time, I'm very happy they did release those. Also, some other new pops I'm noticing up top. I did get the Black Panther Glow in the Dark Target exclusive, which comes with the t-shirt. Also, Vampire Bob and Hank from Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad's my favorite TV show of all times. I do have up top, all the way up top in the corner, I do have good old Walter White and Jesse Pinkman in their outfits, ready to cook that good. And I definitely needed to get Hank. I gotta get Gus. I really want Mike. If you guys want to do any trades, I'm willing to do trades to get Mike and Gus. I want him with the face blown off. I actually really want all of them, now that I think about it. Like, I really do want all of them. I do need Sal, and man, they're all so dope. But I really want Mike. I really want Mike, and definitely Gus. So those are two that I'm aiming to get eventually. If you have them in good condition, you want to do trades, let me know. Definitely. I have tons of stuff to trade. I have chases to trade. I have exclusives to trade. You just gotta let me know what you're into, and then I could offer up. I'm trying to think of what other Funko Pops I do have available to trade. I have 10-inch Thanos available to trade, and I have a lot of stuff. Just let me know what you're into. Hit me up on Instagram at RealDJDelz. I am not shipping first because I'm not getting scammed. You know, I'm an easy target. I got a pretty decent YouTube channel. I've got thousands of subscribers. If you don't trust me, then don't even hit me up with doing a trade. I'm not going to scam no one. I'm on YouTube. I'm accessible. So definitely, if you don't trust me, then keep it moving. No offense. But, you know, I definitely am looking for those Funko Pops. Also, the Atom Bomb Chase. I'm definitely looking for that. The Garbage Pail Kids Atom Bomb Chase. And I'm looking for the chase of good old Georgie right here. I want that one. And now that I think about it, I actually did also get the King Deadpool. Get close up on that one. I'm pretty sure this one is like an interpretation of Burger King, because he's got a burger in his hand. So I think that, you know, they can't do the whole copyright thing. So I think the whole deal with this was Burger King. And then below that, I did get Steve right there with sunglasses. He's got the gloves. And I definitely had to get that one. I'm trying to think what else I did get. Oh, I did pick up Bruce Banner over at Toys R Us for like 40% off. I had to get that. I've been wanting that one for a while, but I just like waited and waited. And I think that's all the new Funko Pops that I've gotten recently. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I don't think there is. Definitely really happy to get this one though. This one, as soon as I seen it, it was like an insta-cop. And I hope to get the other ones. I definitely am aiming to get the other ones. So that's it for today's video. Oh, you know what other Funko Pop I'm looking for, which isn't really rare, but I just can't find it, is the Undertaker. The WWE Undertaker. I'm looking for that one. And what else am I looking for? There's another one I'm looking for. Braun Strowman. You know, these are ones that I could get, but I'm willing to do trades for commons, other commons, because they're not rare or anything like that. Just Funko Pops that I'm looking for. I like doing trades. I like being interactive with the whole Funko Pop community. So if you have any of those, let me know. Another one I'm looking for too, I'm just remembering this now, I am definitely looking for Thanos from the Target exclusive. And I'm looking for the Dart Chase. So there's a whole bunch of Funko Pops I'm looking for. And I'm willing to do trades. A bunch of them for one. You know, one for one. Whatever the case is. Just hit me up. Let me know what you got with some photos on Instagram at RealDJDelz. And then let me know what you're into. What categories. So I can offer what categories I have available. Whether it's Marvel. Whether it's, you know, horror. Whether it's Stranger Things, anything, WWE, you just let me know. This way I know what to offer back to you, what I have available, because I have so many different genres of Funko Pops here. I mean, I got everything you can think of, Star Wars, the TV shows, to even Minecraft up top, and, you know, video game stuff, Cuphead, and there's a lot of different stuff I got. So you just let me know. This isn't all my Funko Pops. I think I'm at least 100 Pops. So, I mean, I got tons of them. Game of Thrones, you name it. Lord of the Rings, we got a lot. So hit me up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, please. Thumbs up the video, and happy hunting out there. I hope everyone gets what they're looking for. Also, I do have available for a trade, I do have one of these sealed. So I have one of these sealed, size large, okay? So if you're looking for this, I have one sealed available. So hit me up. Alright, we'll do some trades. I'm not reselling anything, strictly trades. Okay? Unless you really want to buy something, then you just hit me up. We work something out. But I like doing trades. I think it's fun. With that said, much love, and we really out this time.